First, grind oats in a food processor. I recommend doing a certain amount at once and keeping it on hand. Convenient for everyday cooking. For 1 serving, 3 tablespoons of oat powder, 80 milliliters of water, 100 grams of shredded cabbage. That's basically it. The oat content may seem low, but that's okay. Oil. Use a small pan for single portions. You can also cook some portions at once in a large pan and cut them up later. Shape it, cover, and cook over low heat for about 5 minutes. While cooking, prepare the topping. You can top it whatever you like. In reality, any leftover vegetables in your fridge. After 5 minutes of cooking, make sure if it's not sticking to the pan. Then flip. Sauce of your choice. Toppings. Vegan cheese. 5 minutes at low heat with a lid. Be careful if cutting it as it is soft.